Hi guys, now let's solve this simple question on the board. Now, this is a question about solid shape. Now we have a solid figure has a uniform cross section, which is a semicircle of radius 6 centimeters, which is what we have here, and its length is 25 centimeters. So we want to find the total surface area of the solid shape and also the volume of the solid shape. Now, to calculate the total surface area, now we can see here that this shape looks like when we have a cylinder and we cut it into two. So one half of the cylinder is this shape. So to calculate the total surface area of the solid shape, we know that total surface area, okay, which we know for that of a cylinder is when we have the curved surface area plus the area of the two circular parts. But in this case, we have two semicircular cross section, and that will be 2 multiplied by area of semicircle. Area of semicircle. All right. So now, what is the curved surface area? Now, the curved surface area of this semicircular cross section will be when we multiply the perimeter of the semicircular cross section by the length of the semicircular cross section, or the length of the cross section. So we have perimeter of semicircle, okay, multiplied by length of the cross section. Now we know that the radius of the shape of the cross section is 6 centimeters. Now the length is 25 centimeters. So when we put now, and what is the perimeter of a semicircle? That will be pi r plus 2r, or diameter. Okay, pi r plus diameter multiplied by the length of the cross section. So from here, we then have the curved surface area to be, now we know the radius is 6. So we have 6 pi plus the diameter. Diameter is 2 times radius, and that will be what? 12. So this will be 12. Okay, then we are multiplying it by what? The length of the cross section. Okay, so when 25 is multiplied by 6, that will be 150. Okay, so we have the curved surface area to be 150 pi plus, now when we multiply 25 by 12, okay, that will be 300. That's 300. Okay, so we can then have this to be the curved surface area will be equals to 150 times 3.142 plus 300. So let's get the value for what is 150 times 3.142. Now that's 471.3. So when we had 471.3 to 300, okay, the curved surface area is going to be, we have 471.3, that will be 771.100. Okay, the curved surface area is going to be, we have 471.3, that will be 771.3. okay, yeah, 771.3 square centimeters. All right, so now for the 2 times area of the semicircle, that will be 2 multiplied by 1/2 of the area of a circle, because 1/2 of the area of a circle is the area of a semicircle. So because we have 2 semicircular cross section, so it will be 2 multiplied by 1/2 of pi r square. So, and this will reduce to, so the area, the 2 times area of semicircle will now be pi r square, which will now be 3.142 multiplied by 6 to the square. And that will be, we have 36 multiplied by 3.142. And that will be 113. We have 113.11. So let's approximate this to be what? 0.1 centimeter square. That's to 1 decimal place. So that our total surface area of solid figure, will be what when we add this together. So we are going to add, okay, we then had 771.3 to 113.1. Okay, so 771.3. Okay, when added to this value, so we're going to have the answer to be 884.4 square centimeter. So this is the total surface area, okay, of the solid shape. Now the second question here is that we should also find the value of the solid shape, the volume of the solid shape. So we have the volume of solid shape, the volume of solid shape, okay, that will be area of one semicircular cross section multiplied by the length of the cross section. So which means we have area of semicircle multiplied by length of the cross section. You know, a cylinder is a prism, and when it comes to how to measure the volume of a prism of prism, that will be the base area multiplied by what? Height of the shape. So, but in this case, don't forget the length of the cross section is the same as the what? Height of the shape. So, what is now the area of semicircle? Now we calculated, okay, so area of semicircle, which is 1/2, so which means it will be 1/2 times area of a square. You know, we got area of square here to be 113.1 square centimeter, because two semicircle will be one circle. That's one complete circle. So we are going to divide this value by 2. So we multiply 113 by 1/2. Okay, then we also multiply by 25. So what is 113 by 1/2? Okay, then we also multiply by 25. So what is 25 multiplied by 113.1? That will be what we have here as 2000. That is, it will then be 2827.5 divided by 2. So when we divide this value by 2, okay, we then have 14, that will be 1413.8 square centimeter, sorry, cubic centimeter. So the volume of solid figure is equals to 1413.8 cubic centimeter, and this is the answer for the second question. The noblest pleasure is the joy of understanding. Bye bye.